Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Universal Analyzer. We will start the video by an inspiring quote. Key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles. Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. And by this video, after this video, we are going to wind up the chapter of the mathematics, important chapter of the mathematics, that is the quadratic equation. Here, nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. How to identify the nature of the roots of quadratic equation? There are three different types or three different natures of the quadratic equation, roots of quadratic equation. That is, first is the real and equal, second is real and unequal, third is not real. When we have to say that this root, the nature of this root is real and equal, the nature of this root is real and unequal, the condition applied for those natures of roots of quadratic equation are as follows. Here, first one, if, how to identify the real and equal roots? If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we can tell that the nature of the root of the given quadratic equation is real and equal. We know we have in the last video we have solved or we have found the solutions of a quadratic equation by formula method. In that method, we have first of all we have found the value of b square minus 4ac, and then we are going to put this value in that formula, that is minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. In this way, if this value is equal to 0, then we can tell the given root is real and equal. If b square minus 4ac value will be greater than 0, we can tell that nature of the root is, it is real but it is unequal. It will be real because positive numbers, here it will be also positive numbers, root over positive it will be, root over positive it will be, but it will be unequal. Now in the third type, third nature of the root, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we can tell that root is not real. In this way, I will give the example of each one of them so that your doubt will clarify and you will get total clarity on the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. For the first example, I will take example as example root 3 x square plus 2 root 3 x plus root 3 is equal to 0. Here it is a quadratic equation. Now the question is, identify the nature of the root of the given quadratic equation. Now we will compare this given equation, quadratic equation, with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is, here therefore a will be equal to root 3, b will be equal to 2 root 3 and c will be equal to root 3. Now b square minus 4ac value we will find it. b square is 2 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is root 3, b is also root 3, which is equal to 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3. We know that root 3 into root 3 is 3, minus 4 into root 3 into root 3 is 3, which is equal to 4 into 3 is 12, minus 4 into 3 is 12, which is equal to 0. Here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, the nature of this root is real and equal. Now, in the second form, real and unequal. Example for this will be, I will take example, okay, x square plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now, we will compare the given equation, quadratic equation, with its standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Now, here the value of a will be 1, b will be 2 and c is equal to minus 9. Now, finding the value of b square minus 4ac, which is equal to b square is 2 square minus 4 into value of a is 1 and the value of c is minus 9, not plus 9, okay, minus 9, which is equal to 2 to the 4 minus it will become plus 9 4 the 36, which is equal to 40. 40 is greater than 0. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. The nature of the root will be real and unequal. Only we have to remember finding the value of ABC, and how b square minus 4ac we have to find this value and what type of it is we can identify. Only thing we have to remember in this form is, if b square minus 4ac value is 0, it is said as real and unequal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it is said as real and unequal. Not real. We will have one example. Two x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Here a will be equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 7. You see that a, b and c. Okay, b square minus 4ac will be equal to b square, value of b square is minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a value is 2 and c value is 7, which is equal to minus 5 whole square is minus 5 into minus 5, which is equal to 25, minus 4 to the 8 into 7, which is equal to 25, minus 56. The value will be minus 31, which is less than 0. Here minus 31 is less than 0, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Therefore, the nature of the root, it is not real. In this way, we have solved. The reason for this, why it is the root of this type of nature, it is not real, I will give, because what is the formula for finding the root? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here b square minus 4ac, if it is negative, as it is we will write this value, if it is negative, it will become somewhat complex number, imaginary number. Therefore, it is not the real number. This is the main reason why we tell that b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Okay? This way, we have successfully and with care we have completed the quadratic equation.